I'm Wes Swaney, born and raised in southern Utah here, St. George. I own TechOne. We're elite smart home specialists. We do everything in your home that you don't need but you want. I tell people that all the time. Everything I have to offer, nobody needs but everybody wants. So that's what keeps my job fun. So the current project that we just wrapped up, we were brought in a little ways into it after another company had already started wiring. So we had some unique obstacles to work around. We had to add some wires, we had to extend wires, we had to re-pull some wires, and we had to do all this as quick as we could while we had the time. It was on a strict timeline because it was in the St. George Parade of Homes. His theater room, the way they designed it is that his theater room and his game room was actually one huge room, so he didn't have just a dedicated theater room. He wanted people to be able to stand up and interact and play games while they're watching a movie on their projector screen. The projector screen that we installed is a 200-inch 4K rated projector screen. It's acoustically transparent, meaning that we can place the speakers in the wall behind the screen without compromising the audio quality. So the speakers we did throughout the entire house are all RBH. So in their theater room, it hosts 9 speakers. They're all in-wall, 2 separate dual 12-inch subwoofers in there that when we turn it up really loud, it actually vibrates the light cans out of the ceiling. So they had to glue in the light cans so they wouldn't come out. The speakers throughout the rest of the house, we have 8-inch in-ceiling speakers. We have a pair of speakers, the left and the right, in different areas of the home. We call them zones. There's 11 thermostats throughout the house, 12 including the casita. There is a thermostat in every single bedroom of the home. They have their own zone. There's 16 cameras throughout the entire house on a surveillance system, 17 if you include the video doorbell. They're all IP cameras, 4K quality. They record audio and video. So the windows here actually presented a huge challenge in terms of how large they were. So the brand that we typically use wasn't going to cut it. We had to coordinate with another guy in town. There's a framed pocket above every window so that the shades can be recessed and hidden and out of view. They're all controlled through a remote that comes with them. They can also be tied into our automation system.